Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jack Daniel at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This month, during the month of December, because it is the Christmas holidays, we are in the spirits of giving. As we do our stage kits, we are offering money off. So if you would like to do a stage one, which includes an air cleaner, tuner, and exhaust, we're knocking $100 off of it. Now, stage two is just like a stage one, but we're adding a cam. We can save you $200 on that. Stage three, we're gonna add bigger cylinders, bigger pistons for a little bit more oomph, and we'll give you $300 off of that as well. Now, the big one, the stage four, which is our monster kit basically. You're gonna get cams, pistons, cylinders, but you're also gonna get heads and a throttle body. So definitely stage four is the way to go. And on that stage right there, you're gonna save a total of $400. Now, considering it is the holidays and we do have these engine specials going on, well, we decided why stop there. And right now, if you would like these handlebars installed, we are doing 15% off, not on just the bars, but on the labor as well. All right, so for your holiday needs, for your motorcycles, come on down and see us. We'll look forward to seeing you. Y'all have a Merry Christmas.